Hi, I'm Natalia and I'm doing a specialty sodas review of Pimento spicy ginger flavor for specialtysodas.com. This bottle is made of glass. It's 250 milliliters and it's from France. So my first impressions of the bottle is that it's very, it's not a full-size bottle. It's kind of more squatty in here. It's thick around the outside and it comes to a small spout here. It fits easily in your hand. This would be good for traveling. It's pretty easy. The labeling is red and gold, so it has a very sophisticated feel to it. This pimento is a pepper with some vines and thorns around it, so I have the feeling that it's going to be aggressively spicy, but we'll find out. It says serve chilled, so I'm gonna drink it. It's cold right now, and it says drink neat or mixed, so I'm assuming that this is something you can add alcohol to. It has 70 calories per bottle and 18 grams of sugar. It has no sodium in it. The ingredients are carbonated water, sugar, acidifier, citric acid, natural flavors, asulfame K, sucralose, and caramel color. So I'm pretty excited about this right now. On the top it says tourner pour ouvrir or something in France, so I know that it's authentic. I'm guessing that means twist off. Oh, I had a little come out, so there's some gas in there, carbonation. Oh! My first impression is that it smells gingery. It smells really gingery. And on the outside it kind of has this yellow look, but when I'm looking inside there it looks more clear. Coming out of the bottle right now, it's not too thick, but it does have a lot of carbonation. There's a froth on top, just a real thin layer of froth from the bubbles, which is dissipating right now. My feeling as I'm about to drink this is that this is like a really fresh, kind of a healthy taste coming to it. It's really good. Oh, it has a kick to it. I wasn't prepared for that. At first it's really sweet and it has this ginger taste to it and like a sugary taste to it, and then it's definitely burning in my throat, but a good burn. I just wasn't ready for it. So now I understand why it has the thorns behind the pepper there. It has an aftertaste to it, which is that really spicy feeling. Every time I take a sip of it, it's just like so much spicy in my throat right now. I definitely feel that happening. Wow, this is really spicy. I hope you're ready for that. Not so spicy like it's a heat, but more of like it's got a kick to it, like a very tingly sensation. It's not like spicy like an actual pepper. As I'm drinking it, it definitely, the thing that overtakes you is that tingly, spicy feeling. That's what it feels like right now. And then it does have like a little bit of a ginger, it does have like a little bit of a ginger sugary aftertaste to it. Yeah, like as I'm drinking this, I can't help but think about anything else besides this drink because it does have such a sensation, and I kind of feel like a tingly happening, like in my body, like a heat that's kind of taking over. I can feel it behind my ears, a heat to it. I think that this would definitely be good with alcohol in it, because it does have that heat taste to it. It might cancel out some of that alcohol taste. I think that I would pair this with like something that's not too flavorful in itself, because this is a really strong drink. Either drinking it by itself would be great, or maybe adding some alcohol to it. I don't know that I would pair it with something else unless it was like a sushi or like something that's really fresh tasting, because the ginger would go really well with the sushi. If I had to describe this in 5 words or less, I would say this drink will kick your butt. It's got, that was more than 5 words, but it's got like a kick to it, and it's definitely something that if you haven't tried it before, you're gonna be like, whoa. I really enjoyed this beverage, and I would give it 5 stars. I think that everyone should try this because I've never had anything like this. This is really unique drink, and I feel like a cleansed feeling afterwards, and that's probably the ginger. It's not like it's not heavy inside, but it does leave you with that heat that I feel right now. It's in my chest, it's in my ears, and kind of like in my elbows. I think that this reminds me a lot of sushi because of the ginger taste to it, but if you don't like sushi, you'll still like this because it doesn't actually taste like sushi, it tastes like ginger. If you want to try this yourself, and if you want to know where to buy it from, you can buy this at specialtysodas.com. So once again, my name is Natalia. I'm doing a specialty soda review of Pimento Spicy Ginger for specialtysodas.com.